Welcome to JH. Let's talk about rewardreviewers.com, a site that claims you can snag a $700 Target gift card just by answering a few survey questions and completing some sponsored deals. Sounds like a dream, right? Or more likely, a hallucination brought on by extreme optimism. But is it actually legit? Let's break it down before you start planning your imaginary shopping spree. First off, when we checked the registration, we found this site was born in March 2025. It's so new it still has that freshly coated scam smell. Websites with zero history usually offer about as much reliability as a chocolate teapot, and this total lack of a track record is our first major red flag. Second, when you hit that Claim Now button, it doesn't give you instructions, it teleports you to a completely different page. Why the magic trick? If they actually had a gift card for you, they wouldn't be playing hide and seek with the URL. It's sketchy, confusing, and frankly, a bit desperate. Then there's the third issue, the interrogation. The site peppers you with question after question, leading to absolutely nothing. It's an endless loop of clicking that ends with zero reward and a lot of wasted time. Because nothing says productive afternoon, like giving away your data for a prize that doesn't exist. Fourth, we went hunting for a contact page or even a basic privacy policy and found a whole lot of nothing. No email, no support form, not even a fake address. A legitimate business usually likes to be reachable, but these guys are ghosting you before the relationship even starts. Finally, checking independent sites like Trustpilot resulted in total silence. No reviews, no ratings, and no real user feedback. It's like the site exists in a digital vacuum. So, is rewardreviewers.com legit? Based on everything we found, absolutely not. It's a brand new site that redirects users, asks endless questions for zero payout, and hides its identity better than someone in a witness protection program. All these signs suggest it's not a trustworthy platform, and you're better off avoiding it for your own safety. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates that'll actually save you some trouble.